The evolution of warships. From wooden sails to steel giants. For thousands of years, humanity has waged war on the seas. From the early wooden triremes of ancient civilizations to the heavily armored battleships of the 20th century, warships have always been the backbone of naval dominance. But what makes a warship a true force to be reckoned with? Is it the sheer size, the impenetrable armor, or the devastating firepower it carries? Today, we unveil the secrets of modern warships, how their exterior design enhances combat capability, and why their weaponry is among the most lethal ever created. The purpose of warship design. Strength meets strategy. The design of a warship is not just about aesthetics. It is a calculated balance of defense, mobility, and attack power. Every curve, every angle, and every inch of steel plating serves a purpose. A warship must withstand direct missile strikes, torpedo attacks, and high-impact shelling, all while maintaining speed and maneuverability in the heat of battle. Hull composition and materials. Unlike commercial ships, warships are constructed with high-strength steel alloys, designed to endure extreme pressure and impacts. Some advanced vessels, such as stealth destroyers, incorporate composite materials and radar-absorbent coatings to reduce visibility on enemy radars. Hydrodynamic efficiency. A warship's hull is designed to slice through waves with minimal resistance, ensuring speed and stability even in rough waters. The bulbous bow, a common feature, reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency, making the vessel more agile in combat scenarios. Armor protection. While modern warships no longer rely on thick steel plating like World War II-era battleships, they incorporate modular armor systems to protect vital areas such as the command center, ammunition storage, and engine rooms. 2. Stealth technology. The invisible threat. One of the most fascinating advancements in modern warship design is stealth technology. Unlike their predecessors, which relied on sheer firepower, contemporary warships aim to remain undetected for as long as possible. Radar cross-section reduction. Ships like the USS Zumwalt feature angular designs that deflect radar signals, making them appear much smaller on enemy tracking systems. Heat signature suppression. Advanced warships use water-cooled exhaust systems and infrared suppression technology to minimize their heat signature, making them harder for thermal imaging systems to detect. Electronic warfare capabilities. Some warships are equipped with electronic countermeasure systems that jam or deceive enemy radar, rendering them nearly invisible on hostile surveillance networks. 3. Deck layout and exterior features. The exterior of a warship is more than just steel and firepower. It is a carefully structured platform that houses weapons, radar systems, and defensive countermeasures. Superstructure and command bridge. Positioned at the highest point of the ship, the command bridge provides an unobstructed view of the battlefield. This is where high-ranking officers oversee navigation and combat operations, making it one of the most fortified sections of the vessel. Vertical launch systems, VLS. These deck-based missile silos allow warships to fire a variety of surface-to-air, surface-to-surface, and even anti-submarine missiles. Modern VLS systems enable rapid-fire capabilities, making them crucial for both offensive and defensive operations. Anti-aircraft and close-in weapon systems, CIWS. To defend against incoming missiles and enemy aircraft, warships are equipped with automated rapid-fire guns like the Phalanx CIWS, which can unleash thousands of rounds per minute to intercept threats at close range. The exterior of a warship is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to intimidate, defend, and dominate. But what truly sets these vessels apart is their unmatched firepower. In the next section, we will explore the arsenal of modern warships, from long-range missiles to laser-based defense systems. The firepower of warships. Unleashing destruction at sea. A warship is more than just a floating fortress. It is a mobile, weapons platform designed to strike fear into enemy fleets. With an array of advanced missile systems, heavy artillery, and high-tech defensive measures, these vessels are capable of launching devastating attacks across air, sea, and even land. Let's dive into the lethal firepower that makes modern warships some of the most formidable military assets on the planet. 1. Missile systems. The backbone of naval warfare. Missiles have revolutionized naval combat, allowing warships to engage targets from hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away. Modern warships carry an array of missile types, each designed for a specific battlefield role. Cruise missiles. These long-range, precision-guided weapons can strike enemy ships, land-based targets, and even fortified bunkers. The Tomahawk cruise missile, used by the U.S. Navy, has a range of over 1,500 kilometers and can navigate through complex terrain using advanced GPS guidance. Anti-ship missiles. Designed to penetrate the hulls of enemy vessels, these missiles travel at supersonic or even hypersonic speeds. Russia's P-800 Onyx and China's YJ-18 are among the most feared in this category, capable of evading radar defenses with unpredictable flight paths. Ballistic missiles. Some advanced warships, like missile cruisers, are equipped with ballistic missiles capable of striking strategic enemy locations with nuclear or conventional warheads. These are typically used for deterrence rather than active combat. Surface-to-air missiles, SAMs. To defend against enemy aircraft and incoming projectiles, warships deploy SAMs like the SM-6, which can intercept aircraft, drones, and even ballistic missiles at high altitudes. Many modern warships use vertical launch systems, VLS, allowing them to fire multiple types of missiles from a single platform. This modularity enables rapid reloading and ensures a ship can respond to multiple threats simultaneously. Naval artillery. The return of the big guns. Although missiles dominate modern naval warfare, traditional naval guns still play a critical role in combat. Warships are armed with autocannons, deck guns, and advanced railgun prototypes, each serving a specific function. Naval cannons. Many warships still carry large-caliber guns, such as the Mk-45 127mm gun, capable of firing high-explosive shells at targets over 30 km away. These are used for shore bombardment, anti-ship combat, and close-range engagements. Close-in weapon systems, CIWS. One of the most important defensive measures, CIWS guns are designed to destroy incoming threats, such as missiles or drones, before they reach the ship. The Phalanx CIWS, for example, fires 20mm tungsten rounds at 4,500 rounds per minute, creating a wall of bullets against incoming threats. Electromagnetic railguns. Though still in the experimental phase, railguns use electromagnetic force to fire projectiles at hypersonic speeds. Unlike conventional guns, these weapons do not rely on explosives, making them more cost-effective and harder to intercept. If perfected, railguns could change the landscape of naval warfare, allowing warships to strike targets over 200 km away with pinpoint accuracy. 3. Anti-submarine warfare. Hunting the silent killers. Submarines pose one of the greatest threats to warships, lurking beneath the waves and launching surprise torpedo attacks. To counter this, warships are equipped with advanced sonar systems, depth charges, and anti-submarine torpedoes. Torpedo defense systems. Some modern warships, like the U.S. Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, are equipped with anti-torpedo systems that detect and neutralize incoming torpedoes before impact. Helicopter support. Many warships carry helicopters designed for anti-submarine warfare, such as the MH-60R Seahawk, which can deploy sonar buoys and torpedoes to track and eliminate enemy subs. Underwater drones. Some navies are testing autonomous underwater drones capable of detecting and attacking submarines before they come within striking distance of a warship. 4. Directed energy weapons. The future of naval firepower. Recent advancements in laser technology and electromagnetic warfare are transforming naval defense systems. Unlike traditional weapons, these directed energy systems have unlimited ammunition, as long as they have power, and can neutralize threats with pinpoint accuracy. Laser defense systems. Warships like the USS Portland are testing high-powered, laser weapons capable of burning through drones, missiles, and even small boats at long range. These systems provide an effective, low-cost alternative to traditional missile defense. Electronic warfare, EW. Instead of shooting down threats, some warships use electronic warfare systems to jam enemy radar, disable missile guidance systems, and scramble drone communications. This non-lethal form of warfare can give warships a significant tactical advantage. Nuclear-powered warships, the unlimited arsenal. Most warships rely on gas turbines or diesel engines, but some of the most powerful vessels, such as aircraft carriers and submarines, use nuclear reactors for propulsion. This provides several advantages. Unlimited range. Unlike conventional ships, nuclear-powered warships can sail for decades without refueling, making them ideal for long-term missions. Increased power for advanced weapons. Nuclear power enables the use of high-energy weapons like railguns and lasers, which require enormous amounts of electricity to function. Stronger defensive capabilities. Nuclear-powered warships often have reinforced hulls and additional defensive layers, making them harder to sink compared to traditional vessels. The unmatched power of warships. Modern warships are more than just floating battle stations. They are intelligent, stealthy, and highly lethal machines capable of dominating the seas. Their weaponry, from advanced missile systems to futuristic laser defenses, ensures they remain a critical force in global military strategy. But what does the future hold for warship technology? In the final section, we will explore the next generation of naval warfare, including autonomous warships, hypersonic missile systems, and AI-driven naval tactics. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Every comment with 88 will receive a heart from us. Subscribe for more HFY Chronicles sci-fi stories and updates. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Together, we stand strong.